Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a frog. It's going to have frog features, some glitter, mica powders and all fun things like that. So here we go. Okay, so this is what I'm starting with for the frog. There's not really a great deal of detail in terms of like the colours, so it's going to be lime green and then some white. So this is actually quite dirty, so I'm going to scrape some of this off and just use what's underneath. Then I've got my tools. I've got this little thing here. This is quite good for creating blunt marks. Then I've got two dotting tools, my craft knife, my red plastic tool and also my acrylic roller. So I'm going to make a start. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I like to do a show and tell thing at the end of my video so you can see like the sizes and stuff like that. So this is the frog. So you can guess sort of from me holding it up, it's kind of palm size. And I like to do this because it gives me an opportunity to talk about the frog and what I found difficult and what I found easy. In terms of the feet and arms, they're all exactly the same, they're just bent differently. So for example, the feet are bent that way, whereas the arms are bent that way. As you saw, it's literally made out of just balls. And then I've just popped some mica powder and glitter on just to make him really cute. The eyes are quite easy as well, so two balls together, squash them, roll them, real simple to be honest. So this is how you make a frog from Polymer Clay. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon. So the arms are really big, as in like paws or whatever they're called. What are they? Legs? Frogs. You eat frogs' legs. What about the arms? Do you eat frogs' arms? Oh no, that's disgusting. Anyway. I love this colour anyway, so that's a good start. But in terms of like making his feet and his arms, I'm going to call them arms regardless. He's going to sit on my desk for the moment, and then when I get my shelving thing going up, he's going to sit on there and probably stare at you while I'm filming, or stare at me, one of the two. Anyway, that was why.